Today I'm going to ask you a question. Are you too busy to innovate? Let me show you a picture. You see, there are people who are pulling a cart which has wheels which are square shaped, and there's someone who's offering them round shaped wheels, but they are saying we are just too busy. Now, as funny as the image might look, it is a reality in a lot of our lives. We a lot of times become so busy in the work that we do that we do not have this time to reflect back or consider changes happening around us and innovate or improve ourselves so that we can match with the changes going on in the environment, or maybe we could make ourselves more efficient. Now, this COVID-19 lockdown time is a great opportunity for everyone around there, for the students, for the professionals, for the companies, to take this time out and actually go back and reflect. Does their cart actually have square wheels? Does it have some triangular shaped wheels? Is there a way in which they could improvise their process? This is the time when students can reflect back upon their times and come and look at it and say, okay, this is what I've been doing, okay, but that's 5 years down the line, the skills that I'm currently developing stay relevant. The companies can ask if their processes can be improved, if their processes can be innovated and their efficiency can be improved. This is a perfect time. It's almost as if you have been forced to sit down at home, and that time, which is the time wherein you could think of all these things, is just a gold mine sitting out there. A lot of industries, now industries change, right? A lot of times when the industries have changed, the large players of those industries have not been able to catch the next wave and just move on to the next type of industry. Let me give you an example. Kodak. Now, Kodak was the name for photography. They had the best of best cameras, the best of best supply chain, and they were the leaders for photography around the world, right? But then what happened? Digital camera came in, and Kodak had these square wheels. They said, okay, we are just too busy to improve. We are just too busy to change our product, completely overhaul our product. We are just too busy with this, and this is working fine for us. We don't want the circular wheel as of now. And then do you see Kodak leading the race of cameras right now? No, it was overtaken by other companies. Blockbuster, for example. Blockbuster was a chain which had so many outlets selling and renting movies, DVDs. Now, what happened? Netflix came in. Blockbuster said, no, we are just too busy to kind of think of this online streaming and everything. And by the time they actually tried something, it was probably too late. The competitors had already caught up. Now, this has happened throughout our history. If you look at how ice used to be harvested, if you know how the ice industry has shaped up, earlier ice used to be harvested in a natural form, which means we did not know how to refrigerate ice. So what we used to do is that we used to harvest the naturally frozen ice from the places which are really cold, and then store it and then transport it across the world. Now, this was a huge industry. In US, there were close to 1 lakh people that was employed by this industry. And the players in this industry, which were the largest of the largest players, they kept on doing this, wherein they were not able to see that, okay, maybe artificial refrigeration can be a thing. They said, no, we are too busy. No, we are just too busy with doing whatever we already are doing, and we do not have time to innovate. Now, is your company also in a similar position? This is the time to reflect back. Are you as a student also in a similar position? This is the time to reflect back. Go and sit there and think of it. Are you actually pulling a cart which has square shaped wheels or a triangular shaped wheels? Can there be better processes? Is this going to be relevant? We are really seeing a huge change in the way we are going to operate, we are going to work, and the opportunities that are going to come up in the next decade. So go out there, ask yourself, is this still relevant? Is this what you want to do? Are you busy or are you productive? And there's difference between busy and productive. That is what I'll tell you tomorrow. But also check on, are you innovating enough? That is what I'm going to leave you with today. As always, don't forget that on my website ajinkyachople.com, I have been offering 100% discount on a range of services which include CV verification, LinkedIn profile review, one-on-one career guidance, or startup consulting. So just go ahead and book your slot, use the code BEPRODUCTIVE, and you will get 100% discount at checkout. Don't miss this opportunity. Close to 70 registrations have already come in, and this is only open for the first 200 people who use this code. So don't wait, just rush over there and get yourself booked. I'm going to see you tomorrow, and till then, sayonara.